Welcome my fellow adventurers and dungeon masters to a new episode for Pathfinder 2nd edition character concept for you, where I create level 1 characters for you to use, change, or get inspired by for your games. My name is Model 42 and today I want to present you Grilka, an orc Undine barbarian with high amounts of personality and theme. Let's take a look and stay till the end if you want to know how to get her character sheet for free. Grilka has a Barbarian class DC of 17, which is the max for a level 1 character, is amazingly strong, not very agile, very tough, smarter than most, not that wise, and has a bit of charm to her. She is very good in athletics and more than decent in crafting, intimidation, sailing lore and fishing lore, with the rest being mostly as good as her abilities, though she has a trained knack for survival and nature. Speaking 3 languages, Common, Orcish and Scald, being quite perceptive, especially because of her dark vision. She moves with a normal speed of 25 feet and even a swim speed of 10 feet. She has a really good fortitude, lackluster reflexes and is quite headstrong. Where she shines however are her 25 hit points, which is not far from perfect for a level 1 character, also aided by a cold resist of 1, which is a nice little bonus. She really shines in combat, though her armor class is a normal 13 without armor and a nice 16 when she is wearing her hide armor, which was the one most fitting for her artwork, though it also seems to contain some chain and scale. She is trained with most weapons, though she prefers her greatsword which can deal a ton of damage already, and has a dagger at her side as well, which is always a good thing, though in her hands, that one is also dangerous. Grilka has dark vision because of her orc ancestry, but is very unique since she also is an Undine, which gives her the amphibian trait, which includes the swim speed of 10 feet and allows her to breathe underwater as well as air, making her perfectly suited for a life at sea. Because we want to focus a bit more on that, we chose a lineage feat from her Undine side, since now or never, which is Rhyme Soul, giving her a cold resistance equal to half her level and treating cold environmental effects as 1 step less severe, making trips to the high north less dangerous for her. As a skill feat from her sailor background she gained the feat, Underwater Marauder, which is actually amazing and says that she is not flat-footed in water and can even use her bludgeoning and slashing weapons without penalty in the water as well. For her class features, she gets the Rage ability which we look at later, as we do with the Sudden Charge feat and the Moment of Clarity feat. As her Barbarian instinct we chose Fury, which first and foremost has no anathema and gives us another level 1 class feat, which is Moment of Clarity. Also her rage damage is increased from 2 to 6 and once she gains greater weapon specialization, this will be doubled, and also, once she gains the Rage Resist ability she will gain a resistance to physical damage, which is amazing. Let's look at her special actions now. Sudden Charge is amazing action economy since for 2 actions, but only as the first action during your turn and only once per turn. She can strike twice and if that movement ends in melee range of an enemy, she can strike. This can also be used with her swim speed, which is amazing. The main feature of her is the Rage though, which can be activated with 1 action, but only if she is not fatigued or already raging. She gains temporary hit points for the duration, which is 1 minute, or until no enemies are perceived anymore or she falls unconscious. Also, as long as she is raging, she gains +2 melee damage for all attacks that are not agile or unarmed, or +6 in her case because of her Fury instinct. Suffers a -1 penalty to her armor class and cannot use concentrate actions, other than ones with the Rage trait, with Seeking being the only exception, because however we chose the feat, Moment of Clarity. During Rage she can use 1 action and now she can use all concentrate actions normally for the remainder of the turn. Useful stuff. Since she is the strongest one can be at the start of a game, she can carry up to 9 bulk without penalty and a maximum of 14, with 6 bulk and 1 light being used at the moment. She also has 57 copper and 30 silver pieces in her purse. She wears a hide armor and black leather explorer clothes as well as a greatsword and a dagger, but also carries with her a backpack, bedroll, belt pouch, a compass, fishing tackle, flint and steel, a mug, rations for a week, 5 sacks, 2 sheaths for her weapons, soap, 2 torches, water skin, a fine white dress for special occasions, white summer ordinaries for relaxing times, fine white sailor clothes from her time on a merchant vessel, a nightshirt and pants that look a bit used but clean, as well as a white winter coat for really cold weather. Before we look at what might make her an awesome companion, let's look at her stats and facts as usual. She is an orc and an Undine, both being uncommon, so ask your DM if you might use her, which shouldn't be that much of a problem in most cases, and she has the sailor background. I imagine her having served as a pirate on the seas from a very young age, but became tired of the killing of innocents and worked as a guard for merchants afterwards. She is a barbarian with the traits orc, Undine, humanoid, and amphibian, is of medium size and prays to the god of the seas, Gosrare, since her whole life is connected with him in a way. Her neutral good alignment means that she does not care much for traditions or laws, as long as it serves the people and does not exploit them, herself being also an example of a rough-looking person that wants to help. Since she grew up not among her people, she was raised by a family of Skalds that lives in Quent in the Shackles, since she does not know her birthplace. Grilka is a woman of 27 years with quite a bigger frame of 1 meter and 78 centimeters, or 5 feet 8 inches, and her muscular body weighs about 72 kilograms, or 159 pounds. She only seems to be attracted to women, which might come from her very masculine behavior and upbringing, but as with all of my characters, you can change it to anything you want. For her personality, I used my 10-point method and chose 2 points from Orc, 2 from Undine, 2 from the Barbarian class, and added 4 of my own. Grilka believes that people who use tricks and magic to get by or win are just weaklings, and she herself prefers a death in combat, not lying in bed with old age or illness and slowly rotting away. Like the waters she traveled so long, she can be calm and raging as the sea, with unpredictable tides coming through just in the right moment. Because of her blood and life, she is very comfortable both on land and in water, enjoying both to the fullest. She prefers a straightforward way to solve problems and obstacles and has no real patience for polite or logical conclusions. Sometimes she still has dreams of other orcs barging in her door and slaying her parents, which is why she has a deep hatred for orcs, though she is much softer and friendlier to half-orcs, being a theoretical one herself. If you think you can drink her under the table, you might want to think again, since she will drink to the last ale and most likely win any drinking game. Though she is no alcoholic, she just likes to party with buddies and also is highly fascinated by stories of adventures and travels from others, having a tale or 2 to share as well. She has a rough, sea-hardened voice, but that also seems to give her a strange charm, especially because that voice can be very soft and soothing when she talks from her heart. When she is not sailing the seas or slaying things, she loves to relax by going fishing and humming sea shanties, which can be a very odd picture depending on where she does it. If you are sick of copying her stats and stuff from YouTube, then just hop on over to my Facebook, where you can get a full character sheet by just sending me a friendly hello and that you like to play Grilka. As soon as I can, I will send it to you, free of charge, just for fun. I will be making my sheets more available later on, but for now this has to do. Thank you for sticking with me till the end, and if you liked what you saw or heard, I would very much appreciate a like, which helps out greatly, and subscribing would be amazing as well, since you easily see when new content comes out. If you desire, you can also leave a comment and tell me what you think about this character and how you would use her. Till then, stay safe my friends, and we see us somewhere on the roads of Galarian.